Mastra versus AI SDK. Which AI framework should you use? Choosing the right AI framework can transform how you build intelligent applications without complex setup. Here we compare Mastra and AI SDK to help you decide. Mastra and AI SDK are two powerful AI frameworks designed for developers. The core difference is Mastra focuses on scalable AI model deployment and monitoring, while AI SDK emphasizes easy integration and customizable AI tools for rapid application development. Mastra is an AI framework built to streamline deploying, managing, and monitoring machine learning models at scale. It works by providing a robust platform that supports model lifecycle management, performance tracking, and real-time analytics. Its strengths lie in handling large-scale AI workloads with reliability and offering tools to optimize model performance continuously. Mastra is ideal for teams needing enterprise-grade AI operations and those focused on production-ready AI operations, and those focused on production-ready AI infrastructure. However, it may require more initial setup and familiarity with AI operations compared to simpler SDKs. Its comprehensive monitoring capabilities make it a top choice for organizations prioritizing model governance and scalability. Overall, Mastra suits developers and data scientists aiming to manage complex AI systems efficiently. AI SDK is designed as a developer-friendly framework that simplifies integrating AI capabilities into applications. It offers ready-to-use components and APIs that allow customization of AI models without extensive infrastructure knowledge. The framework excels in rapid prototyping and embedding AI features like natural language processing, computer vision, and recommendation systems. Its strength is in accessibility and flexibility, enabling developers to build and deploy AI-driven apps quickly. On the downside, AI SDK may not provide the same level of scalability or advanced monitoring as Mastra, making it less suited for large-scale production environments. Ideal users are developers or startups looking for a straightforward solution to add AI without managing complex back-end systems. AI SDK is best for accelerating AI adoption with minimal overhead. Comparing Mastra and AI SDK depends on your project needs. Mastra shines in scenarios requiring robust model management and scalability, such as enterprise AI deployments where monitoring and optimization are critical. It handles complex workflows but demands more setup. AI SDK works better for fast development cycles, enabling developers to integrate AI features quickly without deep infrastructure knowledge. For example, startups can use AI SDK to prototype AI-powered apps, while larger teams might prefer Mastra to ensure reliability and control. Trade-offs include Mastra's complexity versus AI SDK's ease of use, and AI SDK's limited scalability compared to Mastra's enterprise capabilities. Choose based on whether you prioritize operational control or rapid integration. Choose Mastra if you need scalable AI deployment with comprehensive monitoring and model lifecycle management for enterprise-grade applications. Opt for AI SDK if you want a flexible, easy-to-use framework to quickly embed AI features without heavy infrastructure demands. Both frameworks serve distinct purposes, so align your choice with your project's scale and development speed to maximize results.